Hey guys, and welcome to the video. Today I have a very fun product to play with. I got the Shimmering Dry Oil from Soul Body. It's Colourpop's new sister brand, and I don't know, it was just very intriguing, and it was only $15. So I decided I would play with it. I usually don't ever like try to enhance my body because I am a chubby buddy, but I don't know, it was cheap and beautiful, and I just really wanted to try it, and yeah. I also got the little body Kabuki brush too. It's probably not necessary, but I didn't want to use any of like my makeup brushes or my hands, so I went ahead and got the Kabuki. So here it is. Super cute. I'm sure you've already seen a million of these videos if you're even watching mine, but it's very soft. I really like this. So yeah, here's the Kabuki. Ooh, Kabuki. And we're gonna open up this little guy here. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm so excited to look at this. Okay. She's so pretty. Look, you can see like this is like the oil. No, wait, you can't see. Oh, you can't see. Okay, yeah, you can. This is like all the oil, and then like down here is like, I guess this is just like the glitter. So you'll see that there's gonna be a lot of glitter in here. Can you tell? I think you can. Yeah. But yeah, I got soft gold. I thought it would be perfect for my pale skin. I really wanted platinum, but I didn't want to be like silvery, like sparkly. I didn't want to look like that one kid from that one movie, you know, with a really glistening body. You know, Twilight. I didn't want to look like that kid from Twilight, so I'm just kidding. You guys, I love Edward Cullen. I'm really just kidding. So, yeah, you have a glass bottle. So nice. And, I mean, it's huge for $15. And I mean, I don't really know what else to say about this other than it's beautiful, and I can't wait to drip it all over my body so I can shine bright like a diamond. And I have my pajama top on just because it's black, and I really don't care if this like gets all over it and messes it up. But I'm going to take my necklace off actually. Okay, so I'm just going to pump this on my chest. And don't worry, I'm going to take you guys outside too. So I just want to see like a first reaction. Okay, I feel it's coming. Oh, she's... Oh my god, this is so pretty. Oh my god, it smells so good too. Oh, that is nice. I wish I had a tube top, but I don't. Oh my god, this is so good. Okay, so it is definitely really glittery, and like as soon as I apply it, like I can feel it, and yeah, but we'll see how it dries down. Smells like summery coconuts. But yeah, it just gives you like a really nice, I guess, well, it looks more natural, like a natural like sheen on camera, but it's like ridiculous like sparkly, but it's like in a good way. Like you want to be a glitter little thing, okay? At least I do. So yeah, and I don't really see it sticking to this. Yeah, this is gonna be like the worst like review. I'm so sorry. But yeah, I'm going to take you guys outside. So, like I said, the Shimmering Dry Oils retail for $15 and come in 4 shades: Platinum, Soft Gold, Warm Gold, and Bronze. The Body Kabuki brush retails for $12, which is not necessary to buy. I got it because I didn't want glittery hands, but as I played with it more, it became very messy. This will transfer in a hot second. If someone bumps into you, they will become a human glitter bomb. Trust me, my 4-year-old is covered by accident. After I was done filming this video, I went for a quick body shower to get the glitter off, so it wouldn't get on my furniture. Well, I'm still covered in glitter. The oil part went away and just left all the glitter behind. As you can see here, there's the transfer. But yeah, so with that being said, if you went swimming with this on, you will still glisten. Seriously, I don't know yet how to exactly get it off. None of the other reviews I've seen have talked about how to get it off, and a shower didn't do it for me. So if you guys know how to get this stuff off, please comment down below. I need help. Like, seriously, please let me know. But with everything being said, do I recommend this product? Yes, I do. It's very beautiful. It smells amazing and it's perfect for the summer and it looks amazing in photos. I would only recommend this for outside use only. And if you plan on spending a lot of time outside to get, a full use of it, but be very careful coming inside and coming into contact with anything. Oh, and here's just a photo of what this looked like after all the glitter settled. Like, I'm not mad about it. I just thought it was really cool and I wanted to insert it. So yeah, I just thought it looked cool. I don't know, it reminds me of sand or something. But anyways, I guess that's all I have to say. So I will just go ahead and go to the end of this video. Okay, so my initial thoughts on this bad boy right here. One, definitely going to transfer. So I wouldn't sit on furniture because then your furniture is going to look like your body, okay? And another thing, if you get splashed with water, I think you're a-okay. You're totally fine. I splashed myself with some water. But I don't know if it's swimming pool tested, but yeah, I don't have a swimming pool. But for $15, you can't beat this. It's very good. You have to love it for the way it comes, and it's just, I don't really have anything to say other than the fact that this is really good. And this is probably the worst video ever. Just kidding. But yeah, anyways, I'm going to stop it there because I think I've shown you enough shine for the day. But God, look at that. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean the world to me. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video.